Good Tuesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, we've got a pleasant morning out there as we get things kicked off today.
Yeah, Joe, we've got a little frontal boundary that's kind of sitting over the area, and that's a little dividing line between winds that are from a southwest direction or from the north-northwest. And that line is pretty much running from Sharon Springs through Colby and up towards to Oberlin. If you're north and west of that line, you got a northwest breeze around 10 miles per hour starting off the morning. The temperatures are in the 30s. We got a 35-degree reading out there in Burlington, 37 in Goodland, 39 in Colby. And then you get on the other side of that line and you got a little bit warmer temperatures in the middle 40s in Oberlin and Hill City. So we're going to see today those southwesterly winds kind of increase as the day goes on. We'll go 15 to 25, gusting to 35 miles per hour, and then that'll put us in the criteria for a red flag warning that'll be along Highway 24, counties of Sherman, Thomas, Sheridan, and then the counties to the south. Those counties to the north, the northern tier of counties in Kansas and southwest Nebraska, out of that red flag warning with lighter winds and a more variable direction. Temperature-wise, we'll top out in the middle to upper 70s, maybe hitting 88, lower 80s in those areas to the south. And we'll continue to have this dry and breezy pattern. There will be a low pressure and a disturbance that will come out of the Colorado today, but it's going to dry slot northwest Kansas. And if we see any scattered showers or thunderstorm development during the evening overnight, it'll be out there along Highway 76, up there in the Imperial area and in northeastern Colorado to our north. We'll probably see everything to the south here in northwest Kansas on the wraparound tomorrow morning. Could see a few sprinkles, maybe virga or a light shower, but it'll mount to just a few points of moisture, if anything, as that system pulls away. Tomorrow will be cooler. The winds will be from that northwest direction, 15, 25, gusts to 35 miles per hour. The temperatures will be in the lower 70s. Overnight lows the next few nights will be in the lower 40s. And then Thursday, we've got to warm up into the middle 80s as those winds will flip back to the south direction. Continue to be breezy at that 15 to 25, gusting to 35 miles per hour. So we could have red flag or close to red flag criteria the next 3 days. Then we got a second system that'll come out of Colorado. Looks like Thursday night, Friday with a strong cold front. That cold front looks dry with winds gusting up there 55 miles an hour during the afternoon towards evening. Again, that could elevate fire weather concerns, could bring a high wind warning, maybe some blowing dust. The precipitation would come in the form overnight in this early Saturday morning as temperatures drop below freezing. It looks like this system has enough cold air with it to have high temperatures in the 60s on Friday, 50s on Saturday, those overnight lows in the upper 20s, low 30s. So that's something to think about as we have blooming plants and crops and that with the warmer weather, is we could see a freeze watch with this system Friday and Saturday. The other thing, maybe a light rain, snow mix during the overnight hours, but it will be on that wraparound side, and that would be lighter precipitation with that system as well. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we warm up back into the 70s, 80s, lows back in the 40s. Those 3 days look dry. Computer models are hinting longer range. We could see a couple systems out in the 8 to 14-day period that could track through the area with some moisture, but it does look like we'll continue to be windy and dry for the next week.
Once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.